Oh hey, didn't see you there. I'm Isaiah, welcome to another Maker Monday. Today we're going to be looking at making a wax seal with a custom wood turned handle. Let's get right into it.
For this build, we're going to start off by 3D printing with resin. A resin 3D print is going to be a lot stronger and more resistant to heat, perfect for a wax seal. Next, we cure it using ultraviolet light. This will harden it and leave it smooth to the touch. Now it's into the wood shop. Here we're using the lathes, which is one of many tools that we have featured in our wood shop, to do some wood turning on a custom handle. To use the woodshop for your projects, you'll have to be accompanied by a fully trained technician such as Tori Lamb, and wearing all of the proper safety equipment. And there you have it, now you can seal all your letters before you send them off to the war front. A brief overview of some of the tools within the woodshop: the CNC router, a table saw, a chop saw, a belt sander, a disc sander, a router, a lathe, a laser cutter, and more clamps than we know what to do with. So please feel free to use some or all of these amazing tools in your next project.
Thanks for joining me for another Maker Monday. Be sure to tune in next week for another build, and make sure you stop by the Makerspace sometime and make something great, because you can. Alright, thanks.